Hello everyone. In this video, we'll be solving another problem based on the equations of motion. So here is a problem. A car acquires a velocity of 72 kilometers per hour in 10 seconds, starting from rest. Find the acceleration, the average velocity, and the distance traveled in this time. So here a car has started from rest, which means its initial velocity is 0, and at the end of 10 seconds after the start it has attained a velocity of 72 kilometers per hour. So here the final velocity for us will be 72 kilometers per hour and the time taken will be 10 seconds. So let us note down whatever the question has provided us. Here the time taken is 10 seconds. The initial velocity is 0 since it has started from rest, and the final velocity v equals 72 kilometers per hour. Now here kilometers per hour is not the SI unit of velocity, so we need to convert it to SI units, that is meters per second, before proceeding to solve the problem. So let us do that first. We know that 1 kilometers per hour equals 5 by 18 meters per second. So 72 kilometers per hour will be equals to 72 multiplied by 5 by 18, which is 20 meters per second. So our final velocity becomes 20 meters per second. Now first of all we will be finding the acceleration of the car, and for that we will be using the first equation of motion, which is v equals u plus at. From here we can deduce what is the expression for acceleration, which is a equals v minus u divided by t. Now we will be substituting all the values, that is v, u and t, and on doing that we have a equals 20 minus 0 divided by 10, which equals 20 by 10, that is 2 meters per second square. So the acceleration will be 2 meters per second square. The second thing that we need to find out is the average velocity. Now we recall that the expression for average velocity was the arithmetic mean of the initial and final velocity. So here the average velocity will be initial velocity plus final velocity divided by 2. We know that the initial velocity is 0 meters per second and the final velocity after conversion to SI is 20 meters per second. So we can very well find out what is the average velocity with this expression that we have. So here average velocity becomes 0 plus 20 divided by 2, which is 20 by 2, which equals 10 meters per second. So the average velocity we have found out to be 10 meters per second. Now the third thing that we need to find out is the distance traveled by the body. So here we will be using the second equation of motion, which is s equals ut plus half at squared. So let us put all the values here. So on putting all the values, we have s equals 0 multiplied by 10 plus half multiplied by 2 multiplied by 10 squared. So on evaluating this, we get 100 meters. So the displacement of the body has been found to be 100 meters at the end of 10 seconds. So with this we have reached to the end of this video, and I hope this solution of the problem was fully understandable to you. Thanks for watching.
TutorialsPoint.com. Simply easy learning.